Good morning, students. Today we are going to do exercise 11.1 of the chapter number 11, linear equations in one variable. Okay. So question number 5, here you have to solve x plus 5 is equals to 9. You have to find out the value of x by using trial and error method. So how to apply trial and error method? You just make a table like this. Then you write the equation in the first block. In next one you will write the value of the variable. Now what is the value of the variable? These are the values that you will take on your own. You can take any value like 1, 0, 2, 3. Okay, whatever you feel that can be the correct value of x. So you put the values. Then LHS will be after putting the value, like if I have put 1 over here, so 1 plus 5 is 6. So whatever answer I am getting, that I will write over here. So 1 plus 5 is 6, so I will write 6 over here. Then in right hand side, whatever value is given, you have to write that only. Then true or false means if you get the same values for both, in the left hand side also, in right hand side also, then you will write true. And if you are not getting the same value, you will write false. Okay, so this is how we will do it. So let's start. So x plus 5 is equals to 9. So x is equals to 1 when we are putting. So 1 plus 5 is 6. So our answer is 6. But the RHS value is 9. So they are not equal. So we'll write false. Then let's put 2 for the value of x. So 2 plus 5 is 7. That is again the RHS is 9. Again both are not equal. So we'll write false. Then again putting another value. Let's take 3. 3 plus 5 is 8. And here it is 9. So 8 and 9 both are again not equal. So we'll write false. Now let's put 4. So 4 plus 5 is 9. And here also we are getting 9. So both are same. So therefore our answer is true. So we will say that the value of x will be 4. That will be the solution of this equation. Now moving on to the next question. Here what you have to do, here again you have to do the same thing. 9x plus 3 is equals to 39 is given. You have to find out the value of x, but here options are given. Okay, 3 options are given. So first of all put the first option, then see if you are getting the correct answer or not. Then put the second and then put the third if you are not getting the correct solution. So let's put the first option here. So first option was 4. So let's put 4 for the value of x. So 9 4s are 36. 36 plus 3 is 39. 39 see, it is matching to the right hand side. So we'll write 39 is equals to right hand side. Therefore x is equals to 4 is the value of this equation. Now in question number 6 part B, y by 2 is equals to 8 is given. Again the options are given. So let's put the first option, that is 10. So instead of y we will write 10. 10 by 2 is equals to 5. And 5 is 5 in the right hand side? No, both are not matching. So we'll write this is not equals to right hand side. Then let's put the value of the second option, that is y is equals to 16. Again in left hand side we'll put, so y is equals to 16. 16 divided by 2. So 2 1s are 2. 2 8 is a 16. So here again you have got the same value as right hand side. So we'll write y is equals to 16. It is the solution of y by 2 is equals to 8. Okay, all other parts of these questions will be done like this only. Okay class, that's all for today. Thank you and have a nice day ahead.